For today's tutorial, we will need 2 colors of your choice of nice fluffy yarn like that, nice and soft. I'm going to use 6mm crochet hook and scissors. So we're going to make a nice puff flower, and we are going to make a green color flower, as this is what my daughter would like me to make. As you know me, I always like taking the yarn from the middle so it doesn't go everywhere. As I'm using this chunky yarn, I cannot use it as a magic ring. If you wanted to start with a magic ring, we will put another tutorial made with different yarn you can watch, but I'm just showing you how else you can make it with this chunky yarn. So we will do a slip knot, and then we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the first chain, yarn over, pull through and slip it through. So we are going to work, this is going to be our, if you want to say, magic ring, but this is how we'll do it. So the stitch we're using, it's like a puff stitch. So what we'll do, we'll chain 2, 1, 2, and yarn over, and then we'll go into the middle, yarn over and pull through. But we are not going to finish this, we'll just keep it this height, and we'll put our index finger, or actually our thumb, and we'll keep this in place so it doesn't move. So then we'll yarn over, go back into the same hole, pull through. So this is our second time. Then we'll still press it with the thumb, yarn over. This is 3 times. We need to do it 6 times. Yarn over, put in the middle, pull through 4, 5, 6, and then we'll go through all of these loops, and we will do a slip stitch, and then 1, 2, and then go into the same big hole and do slip stitch. And we're going to create 6 petals, so we need to do 5 more. As it's quite chunky, you will see how I will make it. Chain 2 and repeat the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This yarn is so soft. You go back and just put a slip stitch. So we'll do our third one, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 22. So it's nearly filling the hole, but now we need to do 3 more petals. So I'll squash one in here, and then we'll go around and do 2 more. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2. What I'll do, I'll put the crochet hook from the back, and I'll pull this through to come from the back, as it's getting quite squashy here. I will do the chain 2 at the back, and then I'll do the puff stitch in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So we'll go in and do as normal, but again, to make the last one, I'll go from the back and pull this stitch through the back and chain 2. And now we are making our last petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And chain 2. So I'll just push this at the back and just chain 1 more, and then cut with a smaller tail. So here we'll push this one so the petals are nice, and so these chains too, we can push them at the back. And now we want to make the middle. This is our flower. Look how cute it is. And now I'm using yellow. And I'll do the same. Slip knot. But I will make 1, 2, chain 3, and then put it in the first. I I tighten it so nicely. Here it is. Go through like a slip stitch. So now we'll see, let's see how many we can do here. We just work single crochets. 1, let's do 6, 2, so in the same hole we are working, 3, 4, 6. Here we'll put a slip stitch. So now we will cut tiny bit longer like that. And what I'll do, I'll use one of these yarning needle. So I'll just put this yarn through each of the stitches. So we are going to create the middle of the flower. So when we pull it, it will become like that. So then with the crochet hook, we can push it in. And we will tie it at the back. So if we didn't work the other end, you could have left it and tied with it, so it's from both sides, but this one will work as well, it's not a problem. And now we have a beautiful flower. If you need to attach it, you can keep it, but I'm going to sew them to our hedgehog costume, so I don't need them. We will put a link below if you want to see our hedgehog costumes with these flowers. So this is our gorgeous flower, and here I've made a few more. So they're different colors, but all of them are so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.